I do need you to call away.
No. Let's go. Let's go out. Wait, swap.
So, okay. So, but I need you to call away. Like,
let's go. It's in the house? No.
It's in here? American Girl Outdoors and stuff. And yeah, I'm going to be a tour of the American Girl Outdoors. Come on, let's go to the American Girl Park. Straight away.
Where is it?
It's a nice little tiny park where everyone loves to hang out.
Drive your scooter, Chase. Here we go. Where's my trike? I'm gonna drive Tally's. You're driving Tally's.
Boys, you guys know I'm behind you. No in the world! I said no in the streets. Are you sure? Really, Brent, just don't do it, okay?
Yeah. I'm allowed to.
Now, Chase, you don't do that, okay? Okay, you can do it, fine. But I'm telling Mom after this. Yeah, I'll come. I'm videotaping anyways. Look at that, he's pretty forward. You can go down.
Wow. It's the car.
Okay, let's go. Come. Let's put him to pants.
Ooh.
Okay? You can just keep scootering along the track.
What? What's that?
Hi, Dylan.
Hi,
Dylan, I'm videotaping you.
hey, Dylan. Hi, Dylan, my friend.
You're gonna be on YouTube.
What did they tell you?
You're gonna be on YouTube. Come on, he's already way ahead of us. Can't believe I stopped to tell my friend he was gonna be on YouTube. I will.
Thank you.
I do have an account anyways. What you boys doing now? The other side. I don't think he's allowed
Mommy, I need a jacket.
Me too.
Alright, can you guys move so Brent can get this trike out of the way so we're not all trapped in the house? And go strap
Go inside, Chase.
Should I sit in the middle?
Well, I think
Yeah, I should really.
just talk to Anthony.
I'm actually not coming.
Right.
So can you take Italian's car seat out then?
Well, you don't need him. You don't need to sit in the middle.
Why? Callie's not
Callie's
coming?
not coming, right?
Yeah. Brent,
Oh, I
you're
was
gonna
in the
be
middle.
on this side.
Actually, just sit in the middle.
No.
I like to sit in the
Brent,
middle.
don't argue with me. Just sit down.
Don't.
I'm coming into videotape.
No. Talia, I'm late. I have to go.
Why is there a lot of junk? in
Oh
here?
my god. Just sit down.
Okay, Okay, Daddy, we gotta start getting the American Girl house ready, don't we? We gotta start getting the American Girl house ready, don't we?
Me too.
By the way, we're gonna be videotaping too. Come on, let's go up to my room to gather it all. Okay? I just gotta stop recording.